Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Air 3S Drone. The DJI Air 3S delivers well above what its price might suggest, with features and performance comparable to other flagship drones with much higher price tags. The Air 3S carries a 2-camera payload that features a primary camera with a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, allowing it to capture crucial details in low light and high contrast shots where others miss out, 50MP still images. The secondary 1/1.3-inch CMOS telecamera allows it to zoom up to 3x with no reduction in its 4K video quality and digitally zoom up to 9x. It has up to 45 minutes of battery life and a large 42GB internal storage. The Air 3S comes with the DJI RCN3 controller, which has a largely adjustable phone clamp to conveniently mount your phone to run the DJI Fly app, and has a toggle switch on the controller that allows you to conveniently switch between flight modes on the fly to make adjustments to the drone's response to control input with Cine, Normal, and Sport mode options. Our tester, Colby, noted several times, "I love how DJI has integrated a storage solution for the controller-to-phone cable into the controller, so it's always conveniently located with the controller and can't be forgotten." The DJI Air 3S surprised us by delivering the most consistent subject tracking of any drone in our entire testing lineup, even those that cost more than double its price. From tracking yourself while hiking to following a rider on a dirt bike, it adheres to subjects like glue and follows reliably, capturing stunningly stable video, another testament to the stable flight performance of the Air 3S. It features a unique array of sensors that incorporate visual, LiDAR, and infrared sensors to provide dependable, omnidirectional object avoidance, which you can rely on, except when flying in sport mode, which disables obstacle avoidance. Although the Air 3S is significantly cheaper than many other drones with similar performance, it is still a sizable investment. Those on a tighter budget or perhaps looking for something smaller and more manageable to start with should consider the DJI Flip that folds down to a convenient size, can be flown with or without a controller, and can still capture 4K video, although its camera sensor is quite a bit smaller than the primary sensor on the Air 3S and is less capable. The Air 3S is an investment, but the performance it delivers makes it a great value for those who can unleash its potential. Number 2. DJI Flip Drone. The DJI Flip is a cleverly designed folding drone that's highly portable, measuring only 7 inches diagonally when folded, making it small enough to fit in your pocket. The Flip is also lightweight, weighing only 245 grams, and can be flown with or without a controller. Our tester praised the versatility of the Flip and said, "The controllerless flight of the Flip makes it so convenient to use. I love being able to have it take off from the palm of my hand, capture what I'm doing, and then catch it in my hand and feel confident I got some solid video." The Flip carries a 3-axis gimbal-stabilized 1/1.3-inch sensor that captures smooth, stable 4K video and 48MP stills. Being lightweight and portable does come with some downsides. The DJI Flip delivered steady and stable flight performance during most of our testing, but when the weather picks up, it has poor wind resistance. When it comes to obstacle avoidance, the Flip features a 3D infrared sensing system to protect it from collisions. The system works well, but is forward-facing and has limited capability when moving from side to side or backwards. If you're after better obstacle avoidance performance and have some flexibility in your budget, the DJI Mini 4 Pro does a better job of delivering omnidirectional obstacle avoidance while remaining under 249 grams, and it has a rotating camera payload for true 4K vertical shooting. Despite these considerations, the Flip is a convenient and versatile drone that makes a great starting point for new pilots or a capable and portable option in your aircraft arsenal. Number 3. DJI Avata 2 Drone. The DJI Avata 2 is the only dedicated FPV drone in our testing lineup and is quite unique in the world of FPV drones, with several features that make it much more accessible than most others on the market. The Avata 2 can be flown in 3 different modes: normal, sport, and manual. Manual mode requires the purchase of a DJI FPV controller, but the included DJI RC Motion 3 controller allows flight in both normal and sport flight modes. Our tester loved the motion controller and said, "The motion controller makes flying the Avata 2 quite easy to learn and helped me gain confidence quickly." As you gain confidence flying the Avata 2, you can enter Easy ACRO mode, which allows you to perform a variety of flips and spins while returning to an assisted flight mode, and even allows you to pause your flight and hover in place at the touch of a button. The Avata 2 is quite powerful and has solid wind resistance, even though it is fairly small, measuring just under 10 inches diagonally. It's quite durable, and all the details of its build feel sturdy. We especially appreciate the integrated propeller guards for a drone with so much flight freedom and no obstacle avoidance. With only a single-axis gimbal, much of the video stability is left up to the flight performance of the Avata 2 and its pilot, but the 1/1.3-inch camera sensor captures super-wide 4K video quite well. Although the Avata 2 does a great job of coaching you through flying it before unlocking its full potential, it's not a drone we'd suggest for new pilots unless you're dead set on flying FPV exclusively. Between the headset, the drone, the controller, and a device wired to the headset that runs the DJI Fly app, getting the Avata 2 airborne is a more involved process than most. For new pilots, we'd suggest checking out the DJI Flip, which has more forgiving and traditional flight controls and even controllerless flight capabilities. That said, if you're looking for snappy FPV flight capability, high performance, and fast-paced, unique video, the DJI Avata 2 delivers that and then some. Number 4. DJI Neo Drone. The pocket-sized DJI Neo is an ideal drone for those who often find themselves on solo adventures or for those new to the world of drones, with its controllerless flight capabilities and the ability to capture smooth 4K video with a vertically stabilized half-an-inch camera sensor. The Neo is compact and lightweight, weighing only 135 grams and measuring 7 inches diagonally, and takes off and lands right in the palm of your hand. Our tester said, "I love how small and simple the Neo is. I never feel like I question bringing it or not because it's so convenient to carry and use." The Neo has 2 buttons, one for power and the other for mode selection, which allows you to choose from popular modes like subject tracking, droning, and rocket. It features full coverage propeller guards to protect it in the event of a crash and is overall quite durable. The DJI Neo does a great job of capturing smooth, stable video, but with only a single-axis gimbal, much of the video stability depends on the flight performance. For such a small drone, the Neo is quite composed in flight but has poor wind resistance. The Neo shines with flowy subject tracking, but is better with slower-moving subjects, like a person walking. Faster-moving subjects, like a biker, sometimes get out of frame or outrun the Neo. With a similar controllerless experience in flight modes, the HOVR RX1 is a solid alternative to the Neo. It is significantly faster than the DJI Neo, but can also be overly reactive in its subject tracking. Overall, the Neo is a stable, compact controllerless drone that consistently captures smooth 4K video if your use case doesn't outrun it. Number 5. DJI Mini 4K Drone. Weighing under 249 g, the DJI Mini 4K makes the ideal travel companion. Its foldable, ultra-compact build easily fits in any bag, allowing quick setup anywhere. Perfect for travelers, vloggers, and creators seeking effortless portability without sacrificing image quality or flight stability. Capture crisp, cinematic footage with a 1/2.3 CMOS sensor that delivers stunning 4K 30 frames per second video and 12 MP photos. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures ultra-smooth stability, even in windy conditions. From scenic landscapes to action shots, the Mini 4K captures every detail beautifully with balanced colors, clarity, and precision that bring your aerial vision to life. Experience freedom with up to 31 minutes of flight time and a powerful 10 km HD video. The Mini 4K maintains a strong, stable connection for confident long-distance flights. Advanced flight algorithms optimize power and control, letting you explore vast landscapes or capture wide aerial views without worrying about signal loss or battery drain. Unlock professional-grade results with quick shots like drone, helix, rocket, and circle, all executed automatically for dynamic cinematic shots. Beginners can master flight quickly through the intuitive DJI Fly app, while advanced users can refine complex maneuvers with ease. Each flight becomes a seamless creative experience powered by DJI's intelligent flight technology.